Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the essentials of Jira software. Whether you're a project manager or just curious about this tool, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First up, what is Jira? Developed by Atlassian, Jira is a robust tool for project management, issue tracking, and agile development. It's versatile enough to handle various types of projects, be it software, business, or IT service management. Let's talk about the core concepts. In Jira, everything revolves around issues. These can be tasks, bugs, stories, or epics. Think of issues as the building blocks of your project. Scrum and Kanban boards help visualize and manage your work. Scrum boards track sprints, while Kanban boards manage continuous workflows. And don't forget the backlog, your prioritized to-do list. Workflow management is next mission. Workflows define the life cycle of an issue from to-do to in progress to done. You can customize these workflows to better suit your team's needs. Jira shines in agile environments. It supports both Scrum and Kanban methodologies. For Scrum, you've got sprints, velocity tracking, and sprint planning. Kanban focuses on continuous workflow and WIP limits to keep things efficient. Now let's dive into filters and JQL Jira query language. It allows you to create custom searches to find exactly what you need. For example, you can find open bugs assigned to you with a simple JQL query. Reports and dashboards in Jira provide insights into your team's performance and project health. Use burn-down charts, sprint reports, and custom dashboards to visualize your data. Integrations and add-ons are also a big part of Jira. It integrates with tools like Slack, Confluence, Bitbucket, and GitHub. The Atlassian Marketplace offers add-ons to extend Jira's functionality, like Tempo timesheets and Zephyr for testing. Don't forget about administration basics. Manage user permissions, customize project settings, and create custom fields. Automation can streamline repetitive tasks, saving you time and effort. Finally, some best practices. Keep workflows simple, use consistent naming conventions, and regularly groom your backlog. Train your team to use Jira effectively and leverage integrations and automation where you can. There you have it, a quick yet comprehensive look at Jira software. With these foundational skills, you're all set to tackle your projects like a pro. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Catch you next time.